Begin by logging into your OnlyFans account. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. In your profile settings, look for the option labeled Edit Profile. Click to proceed. In the Edit Profile section, locate the field for your username. Erase the current one. Type in your new desired username. Remember, it should reflect your brand and be easy to remember. Finally, save your changes. Your new username is now set and ready to use. Choose a username that is unique yet easy to remember for your audience. Avoid using special characters or complex spellings to keep it simple. Consider incorporating a theme related to your content to attract your target audience. Make sure it aligns with your other social media usernames for consistency. Lastly, test your new username with friends for feedback before finalizing. Now you're ready. Enjoy your new username and thrive on OnlyFans.